I think this is the first panel that's completely perfect. I did this one just now. Ugh.
What are you doing, Christian? What is this?
So for 15 hours yesterday, about 15 hours straight, me, Nico, and Richard, I think you've seen them on the channel before, we were having our first time trying wrapping a car, and so yeah, it started out shaky and then we started getting better and better, and then today I just wrapped this one. I think that's the best one I've ever done. Yeah.
What color is it?
It's like a black gloss rose, kind of, yeah, or cherry, I don't know.
It looks brown right now in the camera.
Yeah.
So right now I'm at Christian's house, and for anyone wondering why my SR is not done yet, this is the box. Like, this is the reason why. So in here is from Wiring Specialties. Nice stickers. Ooh, it comes in a bag. Alright, we have to put it down for a sec. Okay, well actually, look at that! A brand new SR into an S13 transmission and engine bay harness. So I'll be dealing with that. I still have to put the transmission, and then all the exhaust stuff needs to go back in the car. So he's actually leaving, I believe, on Tuesday. He has school on Wednesday. I still have a couple more weeks of Christmas Day or Christmas winter break, whatever. So my goal is to get the car running before he leaves on Tuesday. I don't know if it'll happen, but that would be really cool if you can see it at least start up before he takes off. The one other cool thing I did get is a new clutch line. So this actually goes from the cylinder to the slave on the transmission. It actually deletes the hard line that is in the S13 chassis. This is from Chase Bay's. ISR makes something very similar. So I will be installing this as well. Okay, so personally I don't have that much experience with vinyl. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of practice on one of his headlight covers actually. So I'm just gonna be putting a little, dang Christian, you made this really close. I have like no play here.
Yeah, that was scrap.
Okay, so we're gonna try to stretch this out and see how well it comes out. It's just scrap, so it's not the end of the world if I mess this up. He's still working on his fender. He has a couple panels to actually redo because he's learned how to do it a little bit better now and be more efficient with it. So he's gonna be redoing that. Let's see. It's exactly 6 o'clock right now. You're gonna see how long I'm here for. And see how much further we can get into this car. There's a car meet tomorrow morning, Supercar Sunday, which we always go to. We're gonna see if his car is ready for that. And then tomorrow, actually, I'll be working on my 240 again, trying to get the transmission in and dealing with all that wiring stuff. And then we should be good to go with that. Should be manageable for me, I think.
And then, what was those things? This stuff kind of scratches pretty easily, so like originally we were using like soapy water to put over it, but I mean, you can't really see the scratches from a distance, so I don't really care.
So, first time I've ever really used anything. Not too bad, considering the piece is a little small. This is just scrap, so it's just practice. But yeah, so I'm just gonna peel it off actually. But yeah, not too bad. I think it's pretty clean. It's not that, we don't have that good of a lighting in here, so I can't really do a close-up on the camera. You wrapping your windshield next?
Yeah, we don't need vision.
Nice, dude. So this is the real deal. Now we have some clean vinyl on the mirror, or the headlight cover here. Alright, so about 15 minutes later, and I did it. All my corners are pretty clean. And it's wrapped around the back. Not too bad. Christian, inspect this.
Looks better than it did before. So, yeah, it's pretty good. That looks nice.
Yeah, that fire on the corner.
I'll take it.
There's one that was had one little fold. I tried getting it out, but you won't notice it. You won't notice it.
Good job. You're hired.
You hear that, guys? Premium Auto Styling, we're coming for you. We're coming for you.
I did watch their videos a lot to study how they do it.
I don't know how I feel about vinyl. I think the Subaru would be, maybe on the 240, but on the Subaru, I don't know, the body lines are just so aggressive. And there's just so much to it. It'd be a lot.
Once we get better. That's what this car's for, practicing on.
Well, that's what the 240's for.
Yeah, or that.
I don't know, we'll see. Should I wrap the 240? Let me know in the comments below, and what color it should be. It would have to be bright. If I were to wrap a car, it'd be some crazy like orange or mint or some light blue. It'd be something cool. So let me know what you guys think. Pro tips with the Christians here. So if you guys are having issues removing some of the like adhesive emblems on the car, one thing you can do is heat them up. And once they're warm, you can actually use like dental floss. And you're just gonna use this to get behind it. Just gotta go up and down until you get all the way through. You might break it like I just did, so you just get some more, but yeah, you can already wiggle it a lot. And I know Christian was having issues removing this earlier, so this makes easy work of it. And you can always heat it up a little bit more to make the job easier too as well. I'm gonna do that. And there it is. And then just use goof off or whatever you have to remove the residue. This part seems intimidating.
Yeah.
It's just going up, around, all the way across. Basically surrounds the windshield.
It's like slightly curved back, so I'm using a straight piece and I'm like curved the vinyl. I'm struggling with it right now. But
yeah, this is actually attempt number 2. He had to peel it off and then restart. Then so we still have the front bumper, which is down there, the rear bumper, and then one more quarter panel.
I'm probably gonna redo like 2 quarter panels, or the quarter panel and the fender.
That fender. Oh. So you're redoing everything.
Not the doors.
Okay. Look, he's making progress. Down to the other side now. That's done, and we're closing it out. Then he just has to trim it, the excess, and then tuck it in somehow.
Yeah, that was difficult. I'm proud of that.
Hey, Christian. On one of the support beams, actually, for your garage shelf, it's missing a piece there. What was that?
I know. I don't park my car anymore, so.
You one day, like, all that stuff you got up there, it might fall down because of that.
Oh. I have no doubt.
Wow, that was so cool. Nice jump, dude.
Thanks.
Time now is 10:19 p.m. You feeling productive, Christian?
Yeah.
I'm lollygagging a little.
Really not. It takes a long time.
All right, so in those 4 hours, he did this quarter panel, which he still needs to cut and put like place inside. He's working on recorrecting the trunk because he rushed it a little bit last night, I guess. He did a little bit of correction on the hood. And then he did this fender, and then this, I don't know what we're gonna call that, but the top of the windshield. Sure, windshield trim is what he says. So, it's getting late. I'm gonna end the video here because I'm gonna head out. Tomorrow morning, bright and early, I'll be working on the SR, trying to get that running. Hopefully he can stop by whenever he finishes this. I don't know how late he's gonna be staying up, but hopefully he gets it done pretty soon. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be working on that SR. I'm going to get that car running very quickly. And it's going to be lit. Peace out. I will see you guys next time.